Hello, everybody. Right, I would like you to have a look at this video. Maybe it will be clearer to you what to do for your work. So, these are just a couple of starters for you. So, if 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, then what is 2 to the power 9? You need to just let me know what you think about. I want to write my answer in this form. What would I write here? And second, you need to simplify the fractions into their simplest form. So, for example, if the fraction is 3 over 15, let's say 12 over 20, another one, 15 over, let's say, 36. What would you give the answer? So, what I would like you to do is I would like you to answer these questions for me. Okay? Let me move it. That's not going to help. Literally writing this down in terms of twos and just simplify this. Once you finish, then I will pause the video, come back to it when you finish, and then check your answers. Okay? Okay. So your answer will be here. You will be writing 2 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If you have 2 to the power 4, you would have written 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Here you would have written 2 times 2. Now, this is called the index form, writing some number in index form. Okay, that's what it means. Numerical answers obviously are different. The value for 2 to the power 2 is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. 2 to the power 4 is it is actually 16. And here your answer will be, I believe, is 512. Okay, 2 times 2, 16, and then 16, and yeah, okay. When you're simplifying, see what do? You divide by the common factor, the number that goes into both of them. You divide by that number to get the fraction in simplest form. So you write 1 over 5, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Similarly, you can divide these by 4, so you get 3 over 5, dividing by 4, yeah? And here you're dividing by 3, I think. So 5 over 12. All right. Now let's have a look at what happens when you have something like, say, somebody says, simplify 2 to the power 9. And just imagine that this question comes in the non-calculator paper. And they say, work out the answer. Quite difficult, isn't it? So what we do is we start thinking about how many twos are there. This is again quite laborious, because you have to write 2 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you will be writing it at 7 times. And you will get, what will I get? I can divide the numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. So I will be cancelling out these two factors. So then I can divide by 2 again, divide by 2 again, divide by 2 again, again, and again, and again. And I actually am left with 2 to the power 2. But if I do 9 minus 7, that gives me 2 as well. Let's look at another example. 3 to the power, let's say, 5, and divide by, let's make it bigger, 3 to the power 15 divided by 3 to the power 5. Writing 15 times 3, that is just laborious. But what we can do is do 3 to the power 15 take away 5, and that will give me the same answer. Okay, here I will get the answer as 4, and here I will get the answer as, you can use your calculator, and the answer here will be, just give me a minute and I will let you know. I'm trying to get to my calculator. So you will have, oops, it won't let me. Anyway, you can work it out what that calculator will tell you. Okay. Okay, um, so basically, what I'm saying is that whenever you have got these kind of questions, instead of working out all of this, doing all this working out, all you have to do is just subtract the indices, the powers, and you get the answer. If it is non-calculator paper, they will never ask you what the answer will be for 3 to the power 10, but they might actually ask you what the answer will be for 2 squared, and the value will be 4. So this is how you're going to do it. But they might also say, give the answer in index form. So this answer is in index form. Okay. Now let's have a look at some of the questions that's in the worksheet. This is what your worksheet looks like. Okay. And if I want to work out, say for example, this question. Okay. So I have 42 x to the power 9 z to the power 6 divided by 7 x squared. This is what it's given to you. Okay. How do I do it? So what I do is I do 42 x to the power 9 z to the power 6 divide by or over this. Or you can do it here as well. So 42 divided by 7 is 6. Okay. X to the power 9, and this is just x. X means is x to the power 1. Okay. X to the power 1. So you're doing x to the power 9, take away 1, as I was explaining to you. You just take away the powers. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking away the powers. Z to the power 6, take away 2. Because this is 6 and this is 2. So I'm doing 6, take away 2. Okay. 40 divided by 7 gives me 6, x to the power 8, z to the power 4. So this is my answer in index form. And in the worksheet, some of the answers are given to you on this left-hand side grid. Okay? The answers that you wouldn't find in this grid, you need to write them down here. And then you will also find a missing term which will go in here. Okay? I hope this explains what you need to do. I am with you here up till 3 o'clock. So let me know by email if you're still stuck. All right? Bye for now.